My name is Akula. I was fishing. And they had brought a cooler for snacks and a picnic. We were camping, the people were driving, they were getting comfortable. They opened the hood of their trunk. And they set up the campsite. So the two of us were taking our fishing gear. To the lake, and we were setting up, ready to fish. We were just sitting there waiting. All of a sudden, we got a bite. It was a big fish. We were so excited. So we were trying to reel it in. We got the fish. And we cut its head. And we got oil in a black pan. We were going to cook the fish. So we got oil, we got a frying pan to put in. We cooked the fish over a grill, over the fire. Oh, it just smelled so good. And then we looked over and we saw a bear coming toward us. We were so scared. I ran off. But then I learned there was nothing to really be scared of.